VEVOR sent me this stock pot and asked me to give my opinion on it, make this short video. It's got a very nice clear top. You can see their branding on there. It has a vent, so while you're cooking, you can see what's going on, and if it's got a lot of steam coming off, it'll come out that vent. The handle is got a nice chrome finish. It's bolted in there quite well. It's nice and sturdy. The handles on the pot are also attached here. In this case, it's like a rivet, and it's pretty thin, lightweight. It's got a nice finish on the bottom. It's got this matted finish all the way around throughout the bottom and the insides as well. Be great for making big batch of spaghetti, some stew, anything that you got to simmer for a while. Two nice handles so you can pick it up without any problem. It's a pretty good deal, pretty nice stock pot. I definitely would recommend it. Hope that helps. Have a great day.